Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Find My Device on your Android phone, step by step, so you can easily track your device if it gets lost. But before that, here's what we will cover. Step 1. Open Google Services in Settings. Step 2. Install Find My Device. Step 3. Sign in and locate your device. Let us jump right in. Step number 1. Open Google Services in Settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Google or Google Services. Scroll and look for Find My Device or Find Hub. Step number 2. Install Find My Device. Tap the option with Download. You'll be redirected to the Play Store. Install Google Find Hub. Step number 3. Sign in and locate your device. Open the app and tap Continue. Sign in with your Gmail account. Agree with its terms and conditions. Select your device, and it will show its locations on the map in case you lost your phone. And that's it. Now you know how to set up and use Google Find My Device. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this video by Wireless Solutions is made for educational and informational purposes only. Your device must be turned on, connected to the internet, and have location services enabled for accurate tracking. Steps may vary depending on your Android version and device brand. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips. Got any questions for us to answer? Please comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.